All right, so I wanted to give you a few exercises you can do at home to strengthen that inner knee that the article talked about in terms of helping that knee out. If this hurts, please don't do it, but I just want to give you some helpful tips in the midst of possibly being homebound right now. So the first thing that's really simple is getting up and out of a chair. So you really want to use those hips. So I talked about in the article how the hips and the thighs help the knees. So when you do a squat, and this is just using a chair, the hips go back, my knees do not go forward. So you don't want to do this. So it's coming back like that, and if you do that, you will take stress off of your knees and you will build those muscles up in your thighs and hips, which will absorb impact with your knees when you walk, when you do stairs. So start with simple chair squats if that's where you need to start with, and then you can use hands if you need a little help with that. To make it harder, if you don't have weights, you can take an empty milk jug, fill it with water, all the way full is about 9 pounds. Halfway would be about 4.5. So then you could add weighted squats, and that would make your legs get a little bit stronger. So that's a good way to go. Something that's even a little easier, just to get those muscles to recruit better, you squeeze a soft ball or pillow, and you can do squats like that, and that will help get those muscles going. And if you need to, I even have patients start with just squeezing the ball and then straighten their knee, and you'll feel that quad, that thigh shake. So if you need to start with something that's a little bit less stressful, so you just squeeze that ball, straighten the knee, hold that there for 5 seconds or so, make that quad shake, come back down, work up to 20. So all of those would help get some of those inner thigh muscles going. If you have any resistant bands, you can use that to help with getting your hips stronger. And you just slide that up around the knees. Keep that pulled out. That uses those hip muscles on the outside. And then you can do squats like that. You could do it where you don't touch the chair. And then you could add that dumbbell and do weighted squats. So all of those would help get some hip strength, some thigh strength, and very minimal equipment. So I hope that helps while you're homebound. Work up to 10 reps and do 3 sets if you can to get some stamina. So if you're interested in more, reach out to us at info@penrosept.com. Thanks.